Have you forgotten your Windows 11 password? Well, this time we will take a little look at how to reset your Windows 11 password so that you can get into your Windows 11 computer again. Gmodism. Download the free Laysoft program. Link in description. Save the file, run it, and go through with the installation process. Agree to the term and click install. When you have done this, take an empty USB stick and insert it to your computer. When you have inserted it, go back to the program and select Windows 10 64-bit or 11. Windows 10 64-bit works for both Windows 11 and Windows 10 computers. Now choose the correct USB drive. You can browse it and check it and make sure this is actually the USB drive you want to format. Because when you click start, it will format the drive and all data on it will be lost. Click yes. Now it will install itself into this USB drive and you can now just close down this program and click finish. You may also remove it from your computer because you don't need it anymore. Now you can take your USB stick, prepared and all, and put it into the computer you want to reset. Click start and then press the BIOS boot key. So click the boot key for the BIOS and you can find a list of different boot keys there and you will then get into BIOS. Inside BIOS, look for the boot menu and inside there find the USB drive, in this case a Lexar jump drive, and move it up to the top using the provided keys and then click save and exit. For me it's F10. And then your computer will boot into this little program that we will use. And you will get this little query here and just select Laysoft CD and it will boot into the program of choice, which is our USB stick. And there we have it. Files are now loaded and this little operative system is now launched. We just click next and then you have to confirm that this is indeed for non-commercial home use. Click next. When we get to this menu here, we can see the different accounts that is listed onto this computer. Down here, you can see some different values like live ID or account disabled or account locked, and that can be some interesting information. This account, Castle, is my account. You can see live ID account, no. This means I can select it, click next, and I can click on this big reset unlock button. Now, what it basically did is it removed the password from this account. But there is another type of account as well, and I have my other test user here, which is testg. And you can see down here at the bottom, it says live ID account. This means that this account is connected up to Microsoft's servers using a Microsoft account online. Basically, I'm signing in with my email address. And this does it so that when I try to reset this password, the free version will block me, we can't do it. But we can do another thing, we can actually access these files. And if we browse down here in the list, there should be an account that's administrator. This account is, however, disabled, but it's a local account. So we can click next and we can reset and unlock. This means that this account is now active again. And we can log into it, and via this administrator account we can access the files of this test user. Even though it has a live ID account, I can still access all of the files stored on my computer. So if I have an online account and I forgot the password to it, I can use this way. But of course you can also reset the password of your Microsoft account online using their password reset. For example, if you can log into your email for Microsoft Outlook and then you can reset your password through their online services, then you can also use that to get into the computer. But let's say that I don't know the password and I only use it for logging into Windows and I don't use it for anything else. Well, then that can be really hard, and then we can use this method I'm just about to show you. We should now go down to the corner and we should click shut down. Now we are starting the computer again and I disconnected the USB drive. And you know, when we selected the boot order for the USB drive, Well, you should go in there and select the boot order again so that the HDD boots first. And here you can see this was the account I used last, so it will automatically log in. And there we are, we logged into my account. We can right click the Windows icon and select settings, and inside accounts, sign in options, password. And here we can use a password to sign in, so we're gonna add a password. Well, then we just filled in a new password and make sure that you remember this password this time, so you don't have to repeat this process. And just finish. Alright, so how about our online Microsoft account that basically we forgot the PIN and password of it, so we can't log in? Well, we can't reset this password except if we want to go and reset the online password. We can do that, of course, so that we reset the password for the Microsoft account that's connected to this inlog. Then it works. But if we don't know this, we can still access the local files by going to this account. This is the pre-defined administrator account on this computer that we just unlocked and activated again because it was disabled. So we're gonna sign in. Once logged in, we just need to create a new password for the administrator account, of course, because of security reasons. Then you'll just click Windows E or open the File Explorer, and inside here you can browse to this computer and the C drive, and inside the C drives you go to Users, and under Users you have all the users' accounts, and here you can see Test G. We open that up, give ourselves permission to go in there, and here we can browse the Windows, pictures, documents, desktop, and here we just copy this lost file from the desktop, and we can go to the downloads, documents, all the personal files that are usually locked. We can just browse. So you can recover everything you want from here. You can even find the saved passwords file and saved login information and stuff from your browser as well. You can go and find the bookmarks area for the particular browser as well if you need to recover that. You can do all sorts of stuff. So recover the files from there and well, beautiful, you got them back. And that's basically how to do it. So hope you enjoyed this little video. Leave a like and do subscribe for future tech tutorials. Enjoy your system and make sure to select a password that is good but that you don't forget. So in any case, this is your host Jim Modest, and I'm signing out.